Hello guys, my name is Pushpendra. Today video we are going to cover what is MVVM in SwiftUI. So this is very important video. You have to watch this video completely from beginning to end. Why I am saying that? Because I have seen whenever any candidate is going for the interview and interviewer is asking for what is MVVM and how does it work, they are able to explain it in a good manner theoretically, but they are not able to implement logically in front of interviewer. So in this video we are going to cover many of the topics: what is MVVM, why it is used, and how you can implement that. Okay, so first of all I am going to cover up what is MVVM. So here we are going to see what is MVVM. Basically, as everyone know, MVVM is a model view model controller. So it stands for model view model. And what does it actually? It's a architecture for your program. It's a architecture for your complete code. It will help you to scale the code easily. It will help you to keep your code very clean and neat. So you do not have to worry about code structure or code hierarchy if you are implementing model view model phenomena in your SwiftUI project. So now here we have the model. So what is model? So model holds your raw data like classes, struct. So that is only the work for the model as you are creating any of the classes to handle the data which is coming from the backend. So that is the work of the model. Now view means whatever is seen by the user, that is called view. Now the third one is the view model. View model is completely the logic layer of your UI view. Entire functionality of the view will be handled by the view model. So this is the 3-layer architecture, we can say: model, view model. So I hope it is clear what is MVVM in SwiftUI. Now we are going to see why MVVM is critical for clean architecture. As you know, for a small application it is not required, but for a bigger application such as Facebook, Instagram, Paytm, Zomato, Swiggy, so these applications containing the big architecture, and for handling those type of big architecture you require a MVVM phenomena for your code management. So in a simple word, if I say this is the phenomena for managing your code, nothing else. MVVM helps you to reuse logic across views. Second, it will help you to write unit testable code. Now the third one and very important is improve performance and readability of a code. For example, today you are working on any of the project in any of the company, XYZ company, and after few months some other developer came under you. Now you can't tell him or tell her every single line of code how it is working, but if you are making your project into the MVVM, then it will be very easy to read for them. They will able to read it and they will able to implement, they will able to scale it easily. So that's why the MVVM architecture is great into the application development. Not only for the iOS, even if you will see the Android application development also, the MVVM is the best architecture. Previously, when I was working as a developer in 2015 till 2020, I was not aware about the MVVM. Then I start using the MVVM architecture for my Android application and iOS application, and now that's why I'm explaining you why it is important and how it can impact for your future. So now we will understand how to separate UI from the business logic. It's very simple and very important point for the entire MVVM architecture, because this is only the key point where people stuck to explain how to separate UI from the business logic. So let's understand how it can help us. First step is you have to create the view model class. Okay, that view model class, of course, it will be observable class into the SwiftUI. Second step, the entire code like state plus logic you have to move into the view model class. Now third step, which is again important, you have to use state object and observed object to bind the view with the classes. So this is the 3-step procedure for separating the UI from the business logic. I hope it is clear. Now let's deep dive into the practical example of the MVVM and understand in a very easy way how to manage it. Okay, so for your better understanding, I have created one SwiftUI view where we are using the MVVM phenomenon. So I have created the business logic into the view model. Here I have not taken the model because I'm not calling any of the API over here. So Here I have created this view model. Inside the view model, I have taken one string variable, that is username, and one boolean variable for validating the user is valid or not. And with the help of combine framework, I have implemented the operators here to validate my input. State variable I have already covered up in my previous video of the interview series. You can go and you can check. Now if we see, I have create state variable and assign my view model. So now here we have the text field, enter username. So whenever user will enter the username, then with the help of view model we will listen and it will publish it is valid or invalid. So let's see here. If I enter, now my character count is more 4 or greater than, it will be valid, otherwise it will be invalid. So this is how we can use MVVM architecture in our SwiftUI programming language. It will keep your code clean, clear and scalable. Okay, and you will gain more and more experience whenever you start working, implementing a small application, a small module into your existing SwiftUI project. So start using it. It's really great for iOS developer. I'm also enjoying that. And if you have any specific topic for any of the interview question or any of the topic which you stuck into the SwiftUI, please feel free to comment into the comments box. I will prepare the special video for you. Thank you so much. Have a great time, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because I am regularly releasing new videos on the SwiftUI. Thank you so much. Have a great time.